Welcome back to the channel. Here we have a PS5 disc edition. This one was HDMI not detected. So just a quick visual inspection, and that HDMI port does look kind of janky. The clasp is broken. I'm hoping it's just going to be a simple port swap, but we'll see for sure once we get into it. I am going to plug it in. Let's kind of verify that the issue is what the seller said it was. Hopefully. The listing said that it powers on but doesn't detect HDMI. We'll see. Let me plug it in here. Plug in our HDMI cable. Oh wow, really loose. See if it powers on. All right. Blue light, good sign. And still blue. Nothing yet on the screen. Oh, it turned white. So it does come on. White light, nothing on the screen. All right. I think that's it. Powered on, nothing on the screen. We're gonna swap out this HDMI port and hopefully that's it. Okay, my disassembly table is an absolute disaster. So try not to look at all of this. Anyway, let's pull it apart. So I opened this up a couple minutes ago, and I did notice some pieces fell out of it. These are this is one of the clips. It goes inside here. Looks like somebody tried to open it up previous, but failed, I suppose. Broken right here. These are pretty easy to open up. There's two little tabs here. You can see those there. They fit right into two little holes here, and you just peel back on those and pop this off, and it comes right off. Same on the other side. They're around the same area, just right on the other side of this here. Peel them back, pop them off. Opens right up. So that's the side. It's pretty dirty in here. I can see from here the fan's got a lot of dirt in there. Doesn't look like it's been opened up on the inside. The seal is still there. The safety sticker or whatever it's called. Anyway, pretty easy. We'll pull this off here, and then we'll go ahead and open it up. All right. Oh yeah, that port is janky. We can take care of that though. I'm going to do something here before I get started though. I have to take a little lid and put it right over the top of that, so I don't get that crap all over the place. The liquid metal all over the place. It's not going to fall off, but the liquid metal, but for me, it's easy that I'll eventually put my hands in it while I'm working on the board. But we're going to get this over to the microscope. We'll take a look at that HDMI port. You can kind of see there it's crooked, and we'll get that thing swapped out. Something doesn't look right there, huh? Does that look a little off? I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say this is the issue right here. That's not good. Yeah. But it's an easy enough fix, hopefully. Alright, I'm going to heat this up from the bottom. Hopefully there's no torn traces underneath. If there is, then oh well, we'll just fix those too, but it'll be a lot faster if there wasn't. I'm going to put a little flux on here. Probably don't need it, but better have it on there anyway. Get this hot from the bottom. Okay, turn it off. No torn traces, I can tell. This port is absolutely mangled, but whatever. We're going to use my solder sucker in this situation again. Heating it up from the bottom. I'll make sure that solder is wet. And it worked. Like a charm. I'm so surprised at how well that works. All right. Let's clean it up a little bit more. Add a little flux to this. Or it's nice and hot. Some braid here. Yep. All right. Add some flux here. And fill these holes. Some solder. Good leaded solder. What we're going to end up doing is dropping this port in. Heating it up from the bottom and dropping the port in. That's what we're going to do. All right, good to go. Here we go. Okay. We'll get in here, take a closer look. Make sure we have a good connection. Just go to poke each one, each pin. Make sure we're solid. Each one is nice and solid. However, I'm going to go over it one more time, just to make sure everything's really nice. I like to do it. Add a little bit more flux. Get in there. Here we go. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna give these guys one more poke. Just double check one more time. All right, all three are solid. We saved this to our little cap there, our little cap there. Everything else looks good. I think I'll flip the board over and we'll double check our anchor points, but we should be good to go. Those look good. I'm not gonna touch them. Well, yes I am. All right, now I'm happy. All right, that's it. New port's on. The new port is on. Looks better than previous. Let's get this thing reassembled and test, and we'll see how we did. All right, so we've got this thing back together, 100%. Port looks a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, see how we did.
we go. We fixed it.
And I'm going to boot to safe mode. We fixed it. We fixed it. Good job. We're going to boot to safe mode and reformat. I think we just hold down the power button till we hear a second beep, and then we'll be in safe mode. There we go. Now let's see if we're in safe mode here. We are. Let's push our power button. Here we go. We're gonna reset. Yes. Resetting the factory.
That's it for this one. We did all the software, and this one's going back. Thanks for coming along. We got Xbox Series S. Next, also no power. I'll see you there.